All right, everybody, we installed another U-bolt lock, and we like this because it can control multiple locations wirelessly, Bluetooth, and over the interwebs. So check it out. This is the new lock right here. Over. There we go. Put on. Get the light on here for you. But this thing is tight. Works great. You see how smooth this lock is. We had to adjust the door, so now it'll actually lock after 30 seconds. We'll go outside and we'll show you how it works. You pull this closed, and you can see it will wait. I don't want to wait the 30 seconds for it to lock, but I'll go ahead and hit the button so it'll lock. And with that, you can see now we're locked. We can open this, but it won't let us in. So I'm going to go ahead and put your code in here, and so you can get it to light up by just hitting the button down here. And then I'll move off to get the code. And after I hit the 5-digit code, you're going to go ahead and unlock button. If I got the right code, then it'll be open. And now we're in. There it is. We can also then control it from our app. Oops, I'm going to clear that up. And so here it is, our app. We can now go in here. You can see there's that. And it says connecting. I'm going to go ahead and close this because it might get to 30 seconds before I get there. But yeah, you can see it says unlocked. I'll hit the lock button. You can hear it lock. And now you can see we're locked. So I'll go here and click the unlock. And there it is. And we're in. That U-bolt, and we'll give you the code if you end up renting it from us here at our Airbnb. Right, Trace?
Yes, right.
Giddy up.